So you wanna start working from home pero wala kang idea kung paano magsimula. Palagi may dumadaan na tungkol sa virtual assistant, freelancing, work from home sa feed mo pero hindi mo alam kasi zero experience ka. If this is you, then I might be able to help you out. Hi, my name is Mary and I post easy to follow daily tasks that you can do to start your freelancing journey. Every day we have new tasks na susundan nyo lang at pagkatapos ang goal natin at the end of the year. Meron na rin kayong clients kahit hindi kayo mag-enroll. We love yung mga requests na nakukuha namin dito sa challenge na to. And one of them is yung manggawa na daw ng Google Sheet or Docs tapos andun yung step by step para makita yung guide. So we have this sa highlight sa feed ko. Pero para tulungan lalo na yung medyo nahuli na, pwede nyo i-click yung link sa bio ko or i-search nyo lang ako sa Instagram tapos i-click nyo to. Tapos nilagay na rin namin siya dyan, 364-day challenge. Tapos dun sa title mismo makikita nyo task 1, 2, 3, sunod na yan. Now one other request that we got is yung mas mahaba or mas mabagal ako magsalita kasi dito nga naman sa TikTok 3 minutes lang yung allotted natin. So ang gagawin ko, starting tomorrow, maglalagay na ako ng mas mahabang version ng explanation at ilalagay ko siya sa YouTube account ko. Kung ang gusto nyong YouTube account is focus lang on freelancing, then this is the one that you need to follow or subscribe. You can get this for free. Libre po siya, wala po siyang upselling, wala siyang bayad. The only thing I ask is that you document your journey, you tag me, and then you use the hashtag FreelancerNamidis2023. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!